Good afternoon, Bloomfield. My name is Mayor Michael Venezia. Bloomfield is facing a nor'easter that is expected to start this evening past midnight and not stop until Friday morning around 7 o'clock. Our DPW is going to be out there working tirelessly, so please, I ask you for your patience. They will be out starting this evening all the way until Friday. Many of our workers will be working 48 hours straight. I ask all residents to please get your cars off the streets, not just if you're on a snow emergency street, but all streets. This allows our Department of Public Works to plow curb to curb, and it makes their job a lot easier. Our Bloomfield Police Department will be going out announcing to residents to ask them to get their cars off the street starting tonight at 10 p.m. Our school parking lots will be open starting this evening. In addition, our parking deck will be open starting this evening until Friday afternoon. We are arranging for shuttle bus services to take residents home from the parking deck. We have two separate options. Option one, the North End shuttle will travel up Broad Street to West Passaic Avenue to High Street. The South End shuttle will travel down Montgomery Street, up Willett Street, up Belleville Ave, south on Broad Street, back to the parking garage. The following departure times for the North End and the South Time commuter shuttles are 5:22, 6:06 p.m., 6:42 p.m., 7:15 p.m., 8:09 p.m., and 9:27 p.m. Option two, there will be two additional shuttles, one for the North End and one for the South End of town, that will return residents directly to their homes. These additional shuttles will depart from the parking garage at the following times: 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m., 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m., and 10 p.m. All this is courtesy to our residents, free of charge. Please be advised that under normal circumstances, residents would usually be able to park in recreation parking lots during a snowstorm. However, due to the amount of snow we are currently have and the projected to have, we need a place to dump the snow. Pulaski Park, Felton Field, and Wrights Field parking lots will not be available for parking and will be used for snow disposal. If you are unable to remove your car off the streets, remember, you have 48 hours to clear the snow from it. Otherwise, it could be subject to a ticket and to be towed. So please, I urge all residents, if you're unable to get your car off the streets, you have 48 hours after the snow stops. Again, please check on the Township website, WBMA, and through social media for more updates for this impending storm. Thank you.